Assalamu alaikum. In the last video we learned how to create table using plugin. In this video we will learn how to render data from database in our plugin. Let's include the file. We will create another external file for this. This is for the admin file. Name of our file render under admin. Let's create a folder admin and create a file render.php. First we need to register menu in our admin panel. Add action, admin menu hook. Here is the callback function, and we always have to prefix to avoid conflict with other plugins. Admin menu, let's create function. In add menu page is the name. Here is the title, menu title. CRUD plugin, capability manage option, the same as we used this before. Here is the page slug. This is the main slug. We will use it after. And the callback function. Icon name. Database. This is the priority. Okay, it's working. This is our callback function. We need to use it. Let's check. It's working. Refresh. It is showing our data from this function. So now we can write our actual code. Let's create some HTML. We will show data on the table, and we will use for each loop. Title, here we will create our table. I'm taking the table header. Let's take the data. We will create another function to fetch our data. Data as raw data or just raw. Go here. We'll show here ID and next name and email. Let's check we fill up everything. So here we need two buttons. One is edit and another is delete. When we're going to update our data and delete our data, it will we need to provide link here. When we click this edit button, it has to be open with the same ID with to our desired page. So here page, we will create this page later. Let's give some name, no problem. We can give it here and this for now. An action would be edit, and we have to use the ID number, because with this ID we will edit, delete everything we have to do. Same to the delete. Action would be just delete here. Okay, let's move to the getting data section. Global WPDB. Table name, we can take it from database file. WPDB get results. Select star from table name. Okay, we complete everything. Let's check here. Here would be table name and tr tag we have missed. Table starting tag and ending tag. So we are all set now. Let's check to the WordPress admin panel. Okay, our data is coming from the database. This is our database. Let's create another data. Refresh. Okay, we have done successfully. In the next video we will learn how to insert data database. Thank you for watching.